Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sainte-Perpetue is a municipality in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of southern Quebec, located within the Lille region near the border with the United States. The community has a population of roughly 400 people and is surrounded by forests, rivers, farmland, and rolling hills that are typical of this part of Quebec. Sainte-Perpetue is known for its rural setting, forestry history, and outdoor recreation opportunities throughout the year. The municipality was established during the 19th century as settlers expanded into the forests and countryside of southern Quebec. Early development depended heavily on forestry and agriculture, which became the foundation of the local economy. Families cleared land for farms, while forests supplied timber for sawmills, construction, and heating. Small rural communities such as Sainte-Perpetue played an important role in the settlement of the Chaudière-Appalaches region. Forestry has remained an important industry in the region for generations. Large forests surrounding the municipality supported logging and wood processing operations throughout the 19th and 20th centuries. Timber from the region helped supply industries across Quebec while creating employment opportunities for local families. Forests continue to shape the landscape and identity of the municipality today. Agriculture also remains an important part of life in Sainte-Perpetue. Farms throughout the surrounding countryside produce dairy products, livestock, hay, and maple syrup. Open farmland mixed with wooded hills creates the scenery that defines much of this region of southern Quebec. Agriculture continues to support local businesses and maintain the rural traditions of the municipality. The region is known for outdoor recreation throughout every season. Nearby forests, lakes, and rivers attract visitors for fishing, camping, hiking, hunting, and cycling during the warmer months. Autumn brings colorful foliage to the hills and forests, while winter supports snowmobiling, snowshoeing, and cross-country skiing across the countryside. Seasonal tourism remains an important part of the regional economy. Today, Sainte-Perpetue remains connected to the forestry, farming, and rural traditions that shaped its history for more than a century. Forests, farmland, changing seasons, and outdoor recreation continue to define the character of the municipality. Visitors passing through the area experience a part of Quebec shaped by natural scenery, local history, and generations of rural community life. Thanks for watching!